Hello everyone, today we are at the Vogue Wedding Atelier and we are in conversation with Ritika Mirchandani. Hello Ritika, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So please tell us about your collection that you're showcasing today at the event.
So the new collection for our bridal couture line is called the Third Path, and what we've actually tried to explore in this collection is a lot of old techniques but reimagined in a new lens. So that is what the Third Path is, a reimagined way of bringing in all the old artisanals and using them in different ways, so that even though it's rooted in a specific history, it's still current and imagined for the present.
So what were the 5 key elements, if you could tell our audience, that you kept in mind while designing?
So the 5 of them were like Zari, Ardozi, Zardozi, Kashida. Those olden techniques that we use, those old artisanal techniques. So those are some of them. And we do a lot of structured silhouettes. So that's one of the very key things for all our blouses and all our jackets. We have a lot of structured sleeves and shoulder pads and everything.
That's lovely.
Yes.
It's very pretty.
Thank you.
So if you would have to, suggest 2025 bride to be, anything from the collection that she must have in her bridal trousseau?
I think one of our corsets. These corsets actually is something that we've loved. We've done them in a lot of different kinds. So I think the trend right now, and I think if a bride is looking for something in a cocktail, I think I would definitely suggest the corset.
So if I ask you to define Ritika Mirchandani style in one sentence, what would that be?
I think it's structured yet soft.
Okay, so with weddings becoming more expressive and personalized, how your approach to bridal couture has evolved over the time? Because we see a lot of trends coming in and going out.
Yeah, I think couture by itself should be timeless. I think couture, you have spring, summer and autumn, winter where you can be following your trends, but I think couture is something that it should express the timelessness of a brand in its best way possible.
Right.
Yeah.
So what luxury fashion means for you, if I ask you, like in 3 words?
So luxury is a mindset actually to me, and I think luxury fashion also it gets expressed better with a certain kind of mindset. And as I said, couture is more classic, and I think that's what people need to express in that way, and the same goes for this as well.
So any one piece that is close to your heart from this current collection that you have styled?
This one. So this is like a very squared box sleeve, and it's one of our sarees which we've redone without the pleats this time.
Lovely.
Yeah.
It's very pretty. So Ritika, lastly, if I ask you, what would you have said to yourself 10 years back?
Oh, to keep going. There's so many pit stops we come across that come and go, ups and downs that come and go. So when things are down, it's temporary, and when it's up, we should be grateful. That's it. That's what I would keep telling myself. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ritika,
Thank you
for having a word with us and sharing your insights.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.